Plans are underway to gazette more mining sites in Kenya as the government moves to streamline the mining industry in the country. Under the ongoing reform, all mining sites will be gazetted with the Mining Rights Board. The Mining Cabinet Secretary Salim Mvurya has told the National Assembly Parliamentary Committee on Environment that delays in passing the Mining Act of 2016 is hurting the nascent industry in the country.
Many applications, more than 1,200 applications. So it means that people are really inspired to venture into the sector. And I think what has happened before is that because of the lack of organization, many investors operated like cartels. But right now we put a framework to ensure that we are very specific. For example, Flospa mining, we have an investment worth 4.8 billion, which is already ready for groundbreaking. Gold processing, we have 5.8 billion investments ready for groundbreaking, as well as granite processing, 2.5 billion. And of course, you know that titanium mining has been going on, in the country for the last 10 years. And many other investors have been doing different investments. I think the organization is what has lacked, but now we are doing marketing. We are identifying the key minerals and sending out expression of interest. So we should be able to attract more investors as we go along.
We did the allocation the other time from 106 million to 4 billion. So we wanted to follow up whether they have utilized the money as expected of them from this last year and this year. There was a conflict in Marsabit. There was also another conflict in Migori as a result of mining, plus other counties. So we wanted to be updated of what is going on as committee.